Okay, hi guys. So we were actually looking into the applications of resonance, hyperconjugation, and inertia effect, and we were about to talk about heat of hydrogenation. But just a topic which I think I might have skipped uh, in the previous lectures. So let me continue on uh, that thing, and we'll continue on the applications or the heat of hydrogenation in some minutes. Okay. So let us talk about Bredts rule. Bredts rule. So, according to German scholar Bredts, bridgehead carbon cannot be sp2 hybridized. Okay. So according to German scholar Brett, bridge carbon or bridgehead carbon cannot be sp2 till one of the ring seizes 8 members. Okay. So what do I mean by this? It means that the Bredts rule is only applicable for rings which are having less than 8 members. So it's just trying to say that the bridgehead carbon cannot be sp2 hybridized, or in other words cannot have positive charge or double bond with some other carbon atom. So we'll look into some of the examples of the rings which violate Bredts rule. Okay. So calculate how many number of, and we have a positive charge here. This is the bridgehead carbon. Okay. So let's calculate how many number of carbon atoms are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So till the ring seizes 8 members. By this I means less than or equal to 8 members. Bredts rule applies on all the carbon atoms, carbon rings, which are means having fused rings with bridgehead carbons or are bicyclo compounds. In other words, should be having less than or equal to 8 carbon atoms. So in this case there are less than or equal to 8 carbon atoms, and this carbon actually exhibits the sp2 hybridized carbon, which is the bridgehead carbon also. So this violates Bredts rule. Second example is we have something like this. So let's calculate how many total number of carbon atoms are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 carbon atoms. It is not less than equal to 10 carbon. So sp2 hybridized carbon on bridgehead is possible, so it does not violate Bredts rule. Okay, let's look at third example. We have something like this. So how many total number of carbon atoms are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, just like the previous one. Is it less than equal to 10? No. Less than equal to 8? No. Hence it is not violating Bredts rule. Let us look into some more example. Okay, it is having positive charge on this carbon, so is it violating Bredts rule? No. Why? Because Bredts rule says that it has to be bridgehead carbon, and this carbon is not a bridgehead carbon, so sp2 hybridization on this carbon is allowed. So since it is less than or equal to 8 member ring, this is not violating Bredts rule. Okay, let us look into this example. Okay, so I hope you can imagine that this ring is actually in the air. This ring is actually in the air, right? And these two rings have a separation between them, right? So these two carbon atoms are not crossing as you may have imagined.